Hey guys, how's it going? For the fourth time today, it's Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair in a bit of a wild hair moment here. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 70 Mustang Mach 1. AM-8 track is now an AM-FM 8-track. This comes from Jim in Silver Spring, Maryland. Thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from way up there in the New England states. And so let's check her out, make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
Well, I was walking into an auditorium where I was going to
And while we have it on talk radio, we'll test the balance and fader functions.
There's an Israeli flag flying.
Oh my God!
Why there was an Israeli flag?
Balance to the left.
I thought
balance right.
Right.
Balance left.
You know,
right.
That's really
okay,
astonishing.
let's center them. Okay, now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader.
He oversaw it. He didn't.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. Pretty cool.
Unbelievable.
Okay, so we'll center those speakers.
I think we've seen in the Middle East.
Fader is set. Okay, let's move it over to FM, and I've got all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick check. Okay, off on. Now we're on FM.
Churches were /purpose.
That one drifted a bit.
With Deanna.
Just reset it.
101.1. The Valley.
Okay, so that's all the FM stuff is working. Now let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Ready? Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Okay, let's test the dial light, make sure that comes on and off. You can see that puppy flashing on and off in there. So she's ready to go back, and I believe this is my last video today because this is the 4th video, and I don't have anything that's already repaired awaiting the video, so I guess I'll be going back to repair work for the rest of the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair, and this is just a simple FM conversion. We can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio. There is an aux input added to this radio. That's something that I install whether the customer wants it or not. You never know when you're going to want an aux input, so I just go ahead and install them just for fun at no extra charge. So my website and phone number are in the description below, and of course I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions about what all do you do, how much does it cost, what's your turnaround. All that information is on my website, so that when you do call me, it's going to be a much more pleasant conversation with a lot less stress, and that also leaves me that much more time to put into my workmanship so that your unit comes back working great. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you again, James, for your business all the way from Silver Springs, Maryland, and we'll see you guys next time.